doing tonight?
It'll be so nice to be
Well, let's make some noise.
Let me introduce you.
I said, how y'all doing tonight?
I'm on the hot girl thing. Everywhere I go, you know I get seen. Them up in me, but we don't mind them. Watch me when them I can't believe. But the right when you know me fresh clean. Me fresh clean when me walk on this thing. Into them now me can't see them. People get lost, it's happening. People get lost, it's happening. Been down but me steady rising. You never let Almighty got me. We hunting and I shine through me. Say anything you wanna do, anything you wanna do. Just believe me, just believe me, just believe me. Never mind what them say to you, never mind what them say to you. Do your thing, do your thing. Come on, do your thing. Come on, yo. Me on me hot girl sing, on my way on me hot girl sing. My flame burn when we crossing. We don't need a man, I know me working. Suicide, yeah, suicide. Kill everything I represent. Suicide, yeah, suicide. Kill everything I represent. People ringing and not business. Behind the thing, on to the next. No mercy if you come to this stress. Get dismissed. Anything you wanna do, anything you wanna do. Just believe in you. Just believe in you. Never mind what them say to never mind what them say to you. Do your thing. Do your thing. Come on, 1, 2, 3, let's work. I'm on the what? Watch me.
Ella, let's make some noise. How y'all doing tonight? Hey. Y'all a little quiet for me tonight. I see you, baby. I hear you. Come on. Now, it's 2021.
We leave now, we're too long. Squeeze that one there. Steady that this my shepherd I shall not want. Now stop work until my money tall up. Only bring truth and my money shot. Cause the boss boy I move like a giant shark. Don't wanna work until broke like that. Still I get a fight, I don't wanna work hard. Yo, if you don't believe in a broke, say pom man. What I said, yo, money me want some. You want the money there. Me a search and the money with a pull up. Money so no want again. Say money. Say money. Chappy. Steady that is my shepherd, I shall not want. Now stop work until my money's all up. Oh, me preach truth and my money's short. So the back water, hold on there. You call that man a church and still broke like that. Still I get the fight, I don't want my work hard. Now stop posting the day turn down, get me the LLS, get me the far right. You don't money me want some. You worry the money then, you just search and the money be no worse. Money me want some. You want money me just tell me work hard, so me just take it as well. Now me just search how we can find out. That's right. Give me self-defense. Yo, what understand that? Stop that. If you're born fake friends, say born fake friend. Say born fake friend. Say born fake friend. Pull up. Stop on. Hold on then. Alright then. And me say wow. And me say alright. Mama tell me to watch my friend. Turn enough to say but me see man sell out them. Some of them the real and it's when I tell them that me sell out with it just for your friend. Well clear. Don't see some of them are serpent. Now we set up your life and sleep with your girlfriend. But this heart can't watch them with the virgin. Them me not just pop. Send a run in on the links. No run in on the links. And up on them we go jump to your chain to your ring. Them me like the champion. When you spin on them see them and them have plans. We go shoot no run in on the links. No run in on the links. And up on them we go jump to your chain to your ring. Them they like the champion. When you spin on them see them and them have plans. We go hold on the LLS. See your friends down the inner the link. No hypocrite down the inner the link. No for them have work. Them must get them a chill. Well boss them must put them that way. Oh no, go on someone else, see a new artist man, yo, out of the team man, far right the future back Instagram. Right now, stop that. Go on, talk something to the ladies then. you so much. Baby girl, give me love cause I adore you. Come down in the morning and see the pull up. Girl, like you, I want to hold you. Somebody know. Yeah, son. Anyone pass on a bill? Anything else about buckle a basket, right? Hey, no stress. Don't go to join you. We are free. Anybody we are free. They can't go ahead free. We are free. They can't show we are free. They pass my way. We are free. Anybody we are free. They can't go ahead free. We are free. They can't show we are we are free. One bad and one bally. Fuck me, mother. How you do? Buckle up, the presentation. You know what this one now? Make a move, no evidence, quiet. New York City. Love up, buckle up, pity. I want to some boy. I want to hear. Hear this boy dance. We are free. I do want to be a free. I'm going to be. We are free. We are free. Listen. We are free. I do want to be a free. People big I am doing. We are free. What? Just. We are free. What? Pass. I do want to be. Fuck me, mother. She don't really wait. You want to be bad boy. Not they can say. Close with it. What plaza? What pass? I do want to be. Fuck me, mother. She don't really wait. You want to be bad. You ain't got me sense. What's your blood clot, man? Don't worry about the doing the real pizza. We won't call like that. Who don't be sorry? Give me this one. I know I hear that bomb buckle story. Lovely. Walk on. Houston, Texas. Mama prayer never in vain from first. Tempting me, who die in a hearse. Give thanks every day we pass the worst. Oh God bless me, say no man. When we get to you, bag of money in a bucket. Who don't the gun, me I tell you look for that kid. Why you get your black with the law, you don't stop it. If all the money you are paying, just watch it. Up the last girl, boy, man, I suffer. Mama says she broke, don't bring them daughter. Don't be man, I made that. This is your winner. Fuck class. Alright then, fucking the young, you know the cheese make right. You think don't want my thing full of rice. We want to be this big sweet. One more I move. Yeah, big up yourself. I'm a one. Don't be too random. Go to my verse. Blow and drum. Shut up, replace man from my one soul. Rifle for boom. Bass man drum. Hey, take a fire pan, not a random overpass. 10-4 man come. Every side of it. Like a gun, don't make a move in a roll. With the handgun. Go for your leg up and roll. Where's the man pick up yourself? Hello, sweetheart. The moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies, take your phones out right now. Because you see the artists and what we are called to the stage. You have to be energetic to watch a performance from this artist. This artist is from the Caribbean. This artist, he not have a problem with the mother girl them, but he like the big girl them. This your artist make you know say anything you see you feel it up and roll it. The people of Houston, Texas, we bring to you live on stage. LLS Weekend. Get ready for no other than
Move on,
Houston, Texas. All of the girls them will love me until I scream. I've been waiting so long.
I've been waiting so long too. We've been waiting.
You've been waiting for me. Yo, Bandsman. Just warm me up. Every girl to the wine on the ground now. I'm never waste that one now. Girl, you're hotter than the sun now. Bust a wine like a gun now. Come now. I make it on you. My girl make it on you. Hey, make it on you. My girl make it. Bust a wine on the mother die. Girl bubble on the mother die. Dirty wine on the mother die. Wine up your waist on the mother die. Just the mother die. I'm the sour. It's okay to have a wine with the salt shaker. Pop down when it's a elevator. Make me see the wine like a salt shaker. Wine when it dances. Every girl got a wine on it. I better wine stand. Girl, you can't do it. What's a wine like? Come here. I'm making on you. Make it. Make it on you. One wine. Pack it up. Don't forget about it. And you know what it was about for the Panamans. And if you want it, go and catch on it. Hey, because it's a thing when they pack it up. You want it, give them a mash it up. Yeah, wine time and drink and scratch it up. Let no man like you. Mix up this other wine with the salt shaker. Put some money in the elevator. Make me see the wine. Every girl tell the wine on it. Watch me now. All of the girls never know. Them can't wine and kick them man. Scream. Hear me now. All the girls who know them can't dance. Rocks up for me. Rocks up for me. I say Yahweh, 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 he's that. Just let it burn. No, just let it burn. Just let it burn. Let it burn. Just let it burn. Let it burn. Just let it burn. Let it burn. Hear me now. God is feeling like a fire inside. When the music is there, don't make them take a ride. And the words are burning. And the release the wine. And it's so hot. Money got cheap up. Why? Hey, somebody grab somebody. Oh, that's fun and they're ready to party. Me don't make a call to the shot. That people for this girl. We get a real general in the bush of the party. Yeah, come on, come party. Girl, they dance with like chocolate. We don't mind, we don't need no coffee. Because of... Watch me now. To the left. Party about to get shelled up. Back in, building fell up. With a bubble in a wine can tell up. Now the police city one melt up. Some boy out the road them hate me. Simply because them gas and with me. Government them one yellow tape me. Everybody in the world want. Look at this sketchy people now. Dancing people now. Sketchy people now. Dancing people now. Sketchy people now. Dancing people now. Yeah, now. Wine for me, baby. Wine for me. Wine for me, baby. Slow wine for me, baby. Wine for me. Go down, baby. Go down, go down. You see me? I don't care what nobody feel, but I feel good. Some people naturally boring. They don't know what to do with their life. I know what to do with mine. A matter of fact, it's a long time now I've been locked up down in the islands. Quarantine this, quarantine that. Bill Gates is a pussy hole. All of the man who know them love can't kill them dead. Let me see one finger there like this one, please. You love girl? You sure? You ever take your girlfriend on an island down yet? And you could see the reflection on the backside. If you never do that yet, you're not a girl. Give me the tune. Somebody wine past Snapchat. Somebody want to be white in a real life. Say that we keep you one. But you must get my coming to one bro. Let me just see that good shit. How we come up to wine in a so you better give up like a souffle. Stop and better what we know wine pan. Give me the whole walk with the wine. Anybody from Antigua? What about Dominica Republic? Listen to me. Everybody inside there from Trinidad and Tobago. Okay. Anybody inside here from Jamaica? Hold on, wait. So this is a dancehall crowd. This is dancehall slash soca. Let me see how much soca people there. Alright. Let me see how much dancehall people there. Okay. Come here, sit up the dance and free up your mind. Stop that seat, some of them can't whine. Stand like this and you hope to be time. Let me go down back, it won't take time. Sweet like sugar, you know how I like, you know. Roll your man, you're looking at your prime. Stand you, feel you like one shine. But it's like mountain and that's me one time. Why you think whining to me? Can I do what you need? Why not do that? Hold on. You sexually harassing me, baby. Listen to me. I want some girl on stage now who can represent them island. We want some representation. See you, my brother. Let me ask you this. Alright, so I see the Jamaica flag. Who you representing? Jamaica? No. Can't be Jamaica alone. Come here, come. No one can fancy it. Alright, one them in a reach. How we not come here to play? Till we come here on the wrong page. Houston, Texas, we think nice. Right now, so we come from the island spice. And then the girls say, oh, let us nice. Me a go fuck it like what? Them girls, them tears in a white. And them tears in a black. They want. Alright, hold on. Stand up over here for me. Come over here for me. Who you representing? Honduras. Okay. So you want what? You stand up over here, sir. Where's Jamaica? Are you ready? You ready to represent the land of food and water? Hold on. I didn't ask you if you're ready to rip me, you know. But like when all different shapes come and see me, but like that, but like them with a passion. When we say passion, we don't mean passion fruit. Passion in a matter in our pants, movie. Hi. Who you representing? Barbados in the house. And you? Barbados too. Alright, so you know. LLS, stand up right the movie. Miss Jamaica, are you ready? Bondsman. On the drums, Mr. Cohen. Quick on the bass. Joey on the keys. Give them the other band, rhythm for me, please. Hold on, baby. Hold on. You look like them girl would just like to take one girl, man. You're busy. You know we stand up right, you understand? One again. Stay right here. Hear me, hold on. That's what you're waiting. But Honduras, yes. And you saw what they did. You're better than them. With Jamaica. Come baby. Stand over there. You ready for me? Run up. Stand at you. Y'all got me up on your right hand. You just keep that on your right hand. Push your right back on your right hand. Look back at them on your right hand. You ready to walk on your right hand. On your right hand. Make you big walk up on your right hand. I it up. Hold that gas on your right hand, baby. With Honduras. Alright. You know what? Hold on. Don't come tag team nobody here. Not yet. You stand up over here, let me see it. Only one dance together. Only one make love to me together too. Only like do things together. Eh? You ain't sure what? You ain't sure? Start the show. You're going to go you want. You don't think that way you want. Push the bird back where you want. Look back and say no more when you want. Give me the one from where you want. Feel like you want when you want. Make it walk up where you want. That's gas when you want it, baby. Hold on. Okay, so that was Barbados. Now, who you represent? You represent yourself. Start the tune quick, please. No, you can't say it. We don't want a conversation, baby. I want to see you wine. If you come on stage, you come to perform. You want to sing? Sing, you want to sing? You want to hear us sing? You want to hear us sing? Baby. Yo, listen to me. You have 5 seconds to make them change. You know, don't worry, baby. You have 5 seconds to make them say yes or no. If she bad, give her a round of applause. If she not bad, send her home. Start it really quick. Man, are you like? Give me that, pull up. Baby, never underestimate a black woman. Black woman are the most talented thing on the planet. Never underestimate a black woman. You may fight. You almost get sent home, you know, but you're bad. Give them one piece of chat. Well, if I'm not, they don't know what to do. But if they don't know what to do, put one shoulder, say, well, you remember me, this one, you should do it, I feel like nothing. What is it? What do you do? What is it? We see you stand up there, and your friends are gonna push you over here. Like you have something to say. You have something. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Wait. Come here. Come here. The Lord is my shepherd. I see the things I want. Listen to me. So why you come here for wine? Who you representing? Stop doing it, please. Stop doing it, please. Where you went? Don't keep that where you went. Push me right back where you went. Look at my son, where you went. Look at my son, where you went. Give me your walk where you went. We are like the walk where you went. Let the king walk up where you went. I lift up. Turn that gas when you're winding. Hold on. Listen to me now. Who said this Honduras? Who said Jamaica? Where Barbados? Who said Barbados? Which Jamaica though? Which Jamaica? The first one and this one. Come here. This Jamaica. This Jamaica. Give me a five. Bless the Lord. Come here, Bobby. Which part of Jamaica are you from? And she don't know which part she come from. It look like she no Jamaican. She don't know which part she come from. But the girl don't know she no Jamaican. Baby, let me know. Then you come and sit in the food. They want to hear some. But you look like you no Jamaican. But still, baby, get it down when it's up. So then put your... Hold on. Wait. Come on, baby. You from Jamaica for real? You're not Jamaican. Listen to me. You know what? Listen to me. You know what? You want me to say about that? When you love a place so much, Jamaica so sweet. She wants to be a Jamaican. Our Jamaicans still give her a round of applause for me, please. We love them lyrics. But listen to me now, pump it up. This is where we make the party get bad. This is the part where we turn this party into carnival. This is just the warm-up. Baby, we love you. Bless and love to all the women on the stage. We have a next girl segment just now. But listen to me. You see this part of the show is when we want to make sure we have soca people in here. We want all the Jamaican people who know soca music to sing out them songs here. Yes, I. We want some. Who is that? No, she gonna come just now, baby. Me love girl enough. Give me a while. Let me get back to the show now. Belize in the house. If you love soca music and you've been listening to soca music more than 10 years now, let me see your hands in the air. All the people who listen to soca music more than 20 years now, let me see your hands in the air. Joy, start it. With the mic, you know next mic. Hold it. Let's start doing slow, man. I'm gonna excite the party. Look, there is simple instructions right now. I tell everybody put your hand in the air like so. That's it. I thought Jamaican people were the answer. So everybody put your hand in the air like so. and play some jam. Listen to me. All carnival people. I want to set them up like this. Scene there. You look like you see the scene here. Where the body scene? You there, now you there. Jamaica, where you there? Honduras, where you there? Barbados, where you there? Who is the body scene? Who is the body scene? Ladies, where you there? What the suits are on? I want to see the maddest people inside, you know. I want to see the stroke crowd inside, you know. Stop it. You ready? From my written. Hold on. Hello, miss. When you're winding back, be careful. Use a roly-poly. You want to throw down the speaker on the people. Watch this, eh? Watch at this. I want all of you to watch at this now. Over here looking like it's sush. Over there looking like it's sush. There's a sush crowd over here. Oh, the sush. Oh, they don't like people. Oh, they're nice. You spend more money to come inside here. Oh, yeah. Honduras, Grenada, Jamaica, Belize. You know what we going to do? We going to fuck up that section over there, please. We going to mash up that section over there. We going to share up that section over there. Welcome to Soca Party. Are you ready? Are you ready? Very good. We can take it. Don't kill the big girl then. Baby. Hold on, stop. Hold on, wait. Don't play with that, you know. That is a whole tune, you know. Baby, that is a whole song. Start doing it. Break the one big fence. Give me. Break the one big fence. My name is Mr. Killer, and I gotta go. I just come and give you some love. But before I go, I want to sing a song for you, baby. You see you? They're killing you? If you're not eat this fish, then you can't walk it right. This one got one video, this one take away your life. it. But girl, what heal you? If I take away up, like it, me like it now. Me like it when we deep like mud, and me can't get it up. I don't know why them. If you not eat the sea fish, then you not walking right. The fat girl want to heal you. She want to take away your life. But make one take it from you. Because make one walk it right. Make one beat it till a morning. Hold up. I got the big girl general. When I see fat girl, I feel like Optimus Prime. When we see fat girl, we feel like Optimus Prime. When the fat girl start white, we don't say in my mind. Transformers, roll on. When we see big girl start roll, you know what I say? Autobots, recon.
Larry!
Start the tune.
My brother, but I own every fat girl. Him sing with fat girl them, sometimes him dance with them, but me respond to every fat girl.
So, hold on.
Get up!
Wait.
Let me make this thing more serious.
Wait. Bobby, listen to me.
Yeah.
You see, when God did I make fat girl, He write my name on them heart. When God did I make fat girl, He make me right after that. To come on earth to walk them. I understand that you love fat girl too. So we love them.
Hold on, Killer. Let me tell
You know what we gonna do?
Hold on, let me tell you a true story now. You see me why me love fat girl? I come like a chef. I like to cook. And when I cook whole heap of food. I love fat girl because fat girl need 15 dumplings. She need 8 pieces of yam. She need 12 finger banana. She needs 9 pieces of meat. And a big cup of drink. That's why I love fat girl.
Well, let me tell you now. If you find out about me, we just open a 16-acre farm at Grenada just to feed my girl. And listen to me. Hey, hold on. If you go up on my Instagram, you see how much grass and 50 goat there. Because we want to make sure she eats good. We have 16 cow. We have 216 goat. We own a Seamas farm because she needs nutrients. And listen to it. Hold on now. We just go sit down and nail the goat for her. Force me like fat girl.
Hold on, you know. You have to build a farm for fat girl. I come from Jamaica and place me in Mobile. Once I have a banger phone, I can take care of every fat girl.
Marvin,
Too much talking. Make me you fuck some fat girl.
yes, no. So that are your fat girl. I'm my fat girl. Listen to me. They want to see the bumper. Hold it, let me try it. see you. Yes. Hi, Bobby. Where you going? Where you going? Nothing not done with you yet. Come, Bobby. Stand it short. Come here, baby. Hold on. Oh, you too? Start the show. You too? Start the show. You too? You are going to start the the stage boss. The stage boss. Come here, my brother. Listen to me. Somebody say, yeah, yeah. Jamaica, Grenada, man, big brother. You don't know. This is history. You know what we have to do? We have to do a song and a bad video. Who say combination? Who say combination? The Beast and Killer. you don't know. One of my name is Akila, I was here.
Big up Mr. Killer. Big up the whole of Grenada. Big up the Jamaica people, them brawling badness. Yeah. So deal with it. Killer. Enough respect, enough blessings, enough honors. It was a pleasure to be for your show. And last time you check, respect in the real life. One of the Caribbean people, them love. Everybody from Texas. Everybody over there from Jamaica. All of the Killer.
From Friday, me and the people them there. No more of that now. Are you ready for the big artist thing now? No. What it? No more of that now. No more of that now. No more of that now. But no more of that now. Sound man, tune man, bands man, start warm up. No more of that now. I want to know. No more of that now. Are you ready for the show now? On the spend the money on the gun now.
Yo.
Listen man, when I hear time, I hear time. When I hear time, sit down. You try to carry me a little stand, come disrespect me. I'm here on the show. Calm down. People ready? Bandsman, kick off again. Oh, yeah, this is it. Who ready for the big artist? Ladies, if you're not ready for the big artist on the screen. On the lock out the lights. Me a go call out the artist, you know. Ladies, take out to the board now. Me a go call out the artist, you know. Who don't want to hear the singer? People, welcome on stage. Joshua, 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 Joshua.
Let me tell you again, sir. Ladies, the only thing follow me with the music. Turn around, let me kiss you from your neck down to your navel. Shawty, you look ready, forget the bed. Wanna lay your body right here on this table. So just hold it steady. I'm gonna get the camera, we gon' make a movie. I'm gonna put my hands, lay back while you do me. Right out of the shower, into the jacuzzi. I'm giving you what your body wants. Boyfriend number 2. The first one he don't really seem like he know what to do. And number 2, don't know you like it freaking, so I wanna give it to you. And number 2, don't fight, don't argue. Second place, I was got a whole lot to prove. So baby, when you get in the mood, just call, hey, hey, grab my hand. I'ma pick you up and put you on the ground. Cause you feel so sad, you're on the man. I'ma take my time, kiss all around you. Only if you let me. I'ma get the camera, we gon' make a movie. I'ma put my hands, leave it when you do me. Right out the shower, into the jacuzzi. party, ladies and gentlemen. Go and pick up that production of the Rurry because that's those beautiful ladies and more to wait for, alright? And ladies, that's how I go forward for, alright? But guess what? Acapella for me, okay? I want to tell you something beautiful, ladies. I should have bought you flowers and your hands. Should have given you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party 'cause all you wanted to do was bang and dance. Now my baby's dancing and she's dancing with another man. Although we had, I'll be the first to say I was wrong. Though I know it's probably too late. Try and apologize for my mistakes. I just want you to know. No, my love, no. Big show, ladies, and I look beautiful. Thank you guys for coming out, love, no problem,
Give it up for Jason!
Now, let's come on entertainment 2020. We're taking over Houston, Texas, Dallas. Yo, Rashtabar, DJ National Game Changer, DJ representing. Lower than about to go. The biggest and the baddest and the best and the HD entertainment. Video personal, visual. Check it out, check it out. Ha, motherfucking you should know. Rashtabar entertainment. Here one for the face I hear the voice in our world selector. Freshly new designed to Romish Entertainment. See, our world freshness. Rashtabar Entertainment. You're gonna book them, you're gonna put them for your event, your party, anything, your party. Nah, Rashtabar Entertainment. Romish, the
Facebook hero, back at it again. Hear me as me represent Rush Command Entertainment. The latest is a video and picture. Somewhere you check them out on Instagram, IG, and everywhere you can find them. Rush Command Entertainment. I thank you.
Ladies, if I borrow your bathroom, I'm a drop a number 2. That's shit in that blood clot. Think what this is. Remember, next Adam's Ben album is out now on all digital platforms. And in a 2 weeks time, Ben Deluxe, right? And Dexter that shop, on the shop for the merch them. On the get on there, say, right? Somebody will have chunkulu, all of again. I went chunkulu them there. Tia, all of again for me, part of my life tonight. Batsman, on the ready! I want to give one wicked piece of rhythm, man. I feel like more take off my shirt. I feel like more take off my shirt. Yo. Give me a man in there. I feel like more take off my shirt. Ladies, you know how to take off my shirt. People of Texas. Ladies, you take on the whole on the board now. You see the artist I want me to call on. Give me a little level. Him come from a place named Seaview Garden. 5 of them women left because of the artist here. Cause she asleep when the wake up hear her. Ladies, are you ready right now for the sex symbol of dancehall? The man with the device will take away any guitar. Ladies, take out your phone and help me to welcome live on stage. The man them call, the banana. The man them call, sing and take away your girl. Ladies, make some noise. we ready for some real entertainment? We say for the ready! Let me start it out, so. Ready, yes, sir. That's why she said she had reason. She said she wanted to just have reason. Lord, let me have everybody voice now. Sing out with me. Corona mash up a relationship. Corona mash up a relationship and for Billy back. God is a blessing. Look how the people have show up today. Are you ready? You know what I want to do? I want to test two of my new song there. Who wants to see if the new song them have a little vibes? Come on, the one them back there have a vibes, right? I want to go down full length to that experience. But we try a new song now. Everybody vibes now. Come on, that was it. Looking so good.
That kind of song you like to sing the second verse to. Listen. When we don't know your pussy, your mind to go. They take it alright and in a bicycle. Pussy ready to white and go. They give me free, I be white. Oh. Pussy clean so I'm trying to forward to the time when I did sing the first song on the supposed to know my everything plugged in, you know. We don't want them to sing on the night, you know. What do you mean next to the spots like that? Say we carry on. We carry on. Alright, let's put this over there now. Ready? If I ain't across the line, I got this one with my other side. Watch out! For the paper you are rival. For your life, for your lucky rival. I like the good thing you can't rival. You all the pussy to be rival. You never done what you did, now when you're rival. Inside the man, I will have rival. You must have my name, that I'm not your man. You never bring up in. Say I am. la mafia. I'm going to change the configuration number. If you feel good, say good. I don't think the performance started. Nothing has started. We don't want to see the next year now.
We got the people that were forward from anyone who forward from to support excellence. We don't want to start calling you. You have New York there. Don't it? Connecticut there. Jersey there. Don't it? Boston there. See? You see that? Dallas there. See you there. When you see what going, the Caribbean people them there. Big up to everybody that don't care where you come from. I'ma tell you this. I love my dealing. Anyone I go to chat with, love in my heart. You see me I say? This little show here is a joy to me, it's a different energy. Want to bring out the spirit and make you have fun. But you believe in yourself, say yes sir! I don't mean to talk about. Make a try. Sweet. Anyway, so certain way. baby, what's the girl I wanna can I keep on baby? No, no. Bring it in, I don't think you're going to so I take it back. Bring it on, bring it to the
Hey!
Let's see how they make me happy. Let's see how they make me go on. The energy, me I tell you. You feel the Wi-Fi. We just asked the team if they want to change the energy. Them said no. Them said a be a pop song you can sing. So I'm sing one more. Right? No, don't tell me no more foolish. I want to change the energy. Definitely want to change the energy. Whole heap of box that was singing. Two are all a different vibes. So, alright, roll up there. you feel good? That one here. But can I change the vibes again? So we love to be a different segment. You know? I want to like enjoy myself, you know. Pull on, I'm gonna forward and do something. We can change the segment again. We could change the segment again. Because we're not ready for certain things, but then more we're ready for. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Grease, one of the baddest musicians I've ever known in my life. Inside the don't sing this song here for them, I'm vexing with the cheesy. Can't afford that, I'm not going to play over that. Pussy, try, don't see me. Ready again? One more time for the energy. Blue sky. Listen, I'm gonna go like a river. But you know what coming on it, no jaws. Ladies, if you want to hear more Dexter School, bring back Dexter. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time when we have to go away, but guess what? We're not going to listen to the leaves. Now make sure some food on. I look going away, I look partying. No. All of my niggas them are coming here with the right dress code. Can you please show hands? Someone I lie, I don't know about jobs, I like that. So every time you cancel, you didn't want to cancel, you're making it your cancel. Now let us start it off. Oh, what are we about? So don't make me cancel up on your feet.